Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at these Bakeey N9 TWS earphones. Outside the box it states that these earphones are Bluetooth 5.0, so they should well be fine with most new Bluetooth devices. There is an image depiction of both earphones and charge case to the front, but to the left we can see that these earphones do come in two different colours of black and white, and not only that, they are compatible with iOS and Android. To the right, it states that these earphones have ear entry design. Well, being earphones, of course they're going to have ear entry design. I mean, what earphones don't? Oh well, to the back, there is not many specs to be honest, but it does state that these earphones have a working time of up to 3 hours, a standby time of around 300 hours, a Bluetooth frequency distance between 10 to 20 meters, and the speaker type is peak titanium film. Let's open up the box. You've got this little pull cord to the top to help us out, and no, I mean, why do this? Okay, so guys, to be honest, I really don't like cheap plastic packaging like this. It would have been better just having recyclable cardboard inserts instead. So no, not great presentation, just gives it an overall cheap look. But nevertheless, let's carry on. So inside we have a Chinese user manual. Oh no, we've got English instructions too, so no multi-language I'm afraid. We do have a lanyard cable, which I think does attach to that charge case. So yes, you can dangle it around your wrist if need be. There is a very short micro USB charge cable. Yeah, it does come in white. I would have preferred it to come in black just to match the charge case and earphones themselves. Yes, one micro USB, no Type-C, so basically no fast charging. We've got the earphones themselves, which we're going to take a closer look at soon. But first, let's check out the charge case. And yes, it does come in glossy black ABS plastic. I'm not too sure about the quality to be honest. It doesn't look that premium looking, and I do think that the colour choice maybe would have been a better suit if it would have came in matte black. We do have some charge indicator lights to the front of the case, as well as a small button too. That when pressed, awakens those LED lights, which will give you an indication of which earphone is currently charging or which earphone is fully charged. To the right side we have that lanyard hook, and to the rear we have that micro USB charge port. Opening up the lid, yes, you do need a bit of a nail to open it up, but that lid is indeed magnetic, and once opened you can see that we have the left and right embedded earphone sockets, which do have those dual charge pins to the bottom. Let's go back and have a look at the earphones. So with these N9 earphones, for this particular set, don't come with any spare earbuds within the whole package. Basically come with medium-sized earbuds already fitted. They are indeed full-size earbuds, not the anchor type that you see on most modern type earphones these days that simply lock into your ears, preventing the earphones from falling out. No, these are standard type earbuds, so you may want to think about getting some replacements, as it is very important to use the correct size earbuds for your ears, not only to get the best sound quality, but to get the right fitment to seal in the sound from the outside world. As you can see, we have those dual charge pin connectors to the bottom, as well as the right and left earphone indicators. They both do have built-in mics, and they do have those sleek looking black stainless steel buttons to the side. No, they're not touch controlled, they are physical type buttons, which when you hold and press those buttons for around 3 seconds, the earphone should power on, repeating the same process to turn those earphones off. You do have other functions while playing music, like play pause, accessed by a single press of those side buttons. If you long press the right earphone, it will skip to the next track, and long press the left earphone to skip back to the previous track. Within regards to an incoming call, simply tap on the button to answer a call, hold for at least 2 seconds to reject calls, with a short press to hang up, and a double press to redial. Placing these earphones within the charge case, they are indeed pulled into those embedded sockets magnetically. And once placed in, well, you should see those charge indicators to the top that should be now illuminated. Fully charging these earphones takes around 1 hour 50 minutes for full charge, which should give you, yes, around that 3 hours use. It probably will be lower with 100% volume being played. Pairing, well, it's simply done by taking both earphones from out the charge socket. It will automatically power on and then go into pairing mode. Turn Bluetooth on your device, search and select N9, you should get a confirmation notice, press OK, in one earphone you should hear connected, followed by the left ear connecting to the right, connecting to one another as soon as the Bluetooth connectivity is enabled. So yes, fast connectivity. Comfortability, I don't know, there's something about them. I don't think it's necessarily the earbuds, but the actual earphones themselves. They do cause a bit of discomfort. There was definitely some uncomfortable pressure. Those soft silicone earbuds don't really soften that feeling too. They absolutely felt crushed within my ears. But I will however say that they are very secure. Best way to test this while these earphones are in your ears is simply by yawning. If they fall out after a big yawn, then your earphones are certainly not secure ones. But with these particular N9 earphones, they do 100% stay in my ears in different situations. Audio, well, the bass seemed very good at first, but then after listening carefully, those high tones, they certainly wasn't as high as I would like them to be. Those mid-tones also, they didn't feel like they was packing any punch. Yet these earphones have average bass without much of a mid-tone. They are quite flat sounding. The low tones are alright, I think that they're spot on to be honest. And to me, it was noticeable just slightly that the polarity between both drivers, well, it seemed a little off. So yes, the audio was slightly directed more or so to the right channel. Sound is indeed sealed from the outside world, completely in fact, but that is when the music is playing. Yep, completely isolated, but again, the pressure from the earphones, it was just consistently on my mind. I was working with these earphones in, and I did feel a bit sweaty over a few hours. But they do have a modern look about them. Yes, they don't have a unique design or anything like that, but functionality of those side buttons, well, they worked fine all of the time, with all of the functions corresponding to all presses. They are within a budget price range, costing £8. That's around 10 in US dollars at the time of this upload. And one thing I've really got to note is that making hands-free calls, well, voice pickup was surprisingly good. Didn't have any weird interference, which you usually get with cheap TWS earphones. Yes, the design of the charge case is a bit bulky due to that pill-like shape, but while it's in your pocket, it actually does look a bit suspect. Yeah. Nope, I don't like bulky charge cases. But overall, well, my last thought is that these earphones should have really come with some spare ear tips to choose from. The sound is basic, with that previously mentioned average bass, and also these earphones don't seem to be waterproof. But I've got to give it a plus point, connectivity is fast, there was no disconnections whatsoever while using them, and today if I was to rate these Bakeey N9 earphones out of my usual rating out of 10, then I think I'm going to be generous on this one, and you know what, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. It's a cheap, simple set of earphones. They're not extravagant, but neither are they pound shop earphones. And one thing I'd like to mention is that, well, with that charge case, if you do place it on a smooth surface, due to that charge case being shaped like a pill, well, it just simply rolls off every single time, which can be annoying. But anyway guys, I will leave a cheeky link in the video description down below if you do want to go over and check them out. And if you do, well, go get yours. And at the same time guys, why not smash that like button? I'd very much appreciate it. Then subscribe, making sure yes you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I'd love to see you guys over on my new video, which will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you all stay safe at home, stay indoors. And for the meantime, I hope you guys have some peace.